Previously we had two functions. One was to define the new highlight group, and second, to link them together. We can put these two in the util module inside the color so that we can use them inside our color scheme. We also need the module to contain the highlight groups and its attributes. Here I have the colors to store the RGB value for each color, the themes for color scheme highlight groups, editor for the built-in highlight groups. Then for the syntax group, the value contains the color scheme group to link to. Rather than making the color scheme group and linking them to the syntax group, you can also define each group one by one. This is the example from Night Fox. Everything is defined directly, and links are not that much used. This is where you can find groups for LSP and also tree sitter. The plugin specific groups are also defined here, like telescope and many others. So now we have a groups module that defines the highlight groups, and util module with the function to execute the Vim command to apply the colors. We can use both of them inside the ini.lua. So the first two loops define the highlight groups for the color scheme and the editor, and the last one links the syntax group to the color scheme group. All we need to do now is to call this apply function inside the color.lua inside the colors folder. Setting these to nil here so that you don't have to quit and restart the Vim to apply the changes you made. Every time color scheme color is called, it reloads all of the modules. Then we call the apply function and then set the color's name to color to set the current theme to color. I am using Pale Night color scheme, and I pretty much copy pasted their colors. So to see the changes, let's first change it to group box and change it to color. You can see that some colors are different, like numbers column, because I didn't set them in our color scheme, so it did not change from the group box color. The other modifications that I made was visual mode and pop-up menu. Let's compare it with the original Pale Night color. Of course, the original one, it looks so much better.